Hi, I'm Dennis Regling, Possum Woods Puppets, and I thought you might enjoy watching me open my box from Puppet Pelts. Puppet Pelts sells fleece and fur for puppet makers. It's pre-dyed, which saves us a lot of time. There's the box. Look at that. Puppet Pelts. Got that nice little sticker. And let's see what I got today. I know the unboxing videos seem to be very popular, so I thought I'd do something popular. I do order from Puppet Pelts quite often. I appreciate the products, and it saves me the hassle of trying to dye fleece. And there's my invoice. They put the invoice right on top. And here's some of the fleeces here. This should be 2 yards of Shirley. Shirley's a nice flesh tone color for human puppets. I use Shirley. I like Shirley. This is Rosie. Rosie's a little darker. I like Rosie, but here's my favorite. This is Dorothy. Now this is a remnant. Okay, this is the original Antron fleece, and they're pretty much out of that, but they have some in stock. This is Dorothy. Okay, good old Dorothy. This is my favorite color for human puppets. This is Betty Ann. Betty Ann's another nice fleece. You notice the difference. Okay, this is a little bit darker. This is a little bit light. I do like the Dorothy the best. And I have some more Dorothy. Again, remnants, because they're pretty much out of Dorothy in the original Antron fleece. They have their new fleece now that they've developed, and that new fleece is great. It's not quite what Antron fleece is when it comes to hiding seams, but if you do a good job with your sewing, their new fleeces, they cover the seam very, very well. You won't be able to tell the difference. So they're both good fleeces. I miss the Antron, but there's been problems with getting Antron fleece. So they had their own fleece developed. And so far, it's very, very good for me. I highly recommend Puppet Pelts for your fleece. I didn't order any fur with this package, but I've ordered some of their fur in the past. They got some great fur. Their color selection is terrific. They got such a wide selection of colors of fleece and fur for every puppet making job. So, again, I highly recommend Puppet Pelts. I'm always excited, even though I know what's coming. Even though I've seen this again and again, it's always exciting to open a box, especially when the box says Puppet Pelts. Again, if you need a good puppet, I'm making puppets. I can make custom orders. I make a lot of puppets I just list on Etsy and eBay, just regular puppets that I make, one of a kind, but good quality, good price, and the professional quality, so a professional would enjoy them. I love making puppets. This is a business, but it's really a hobby business. After 2 years, it's finally in the black. What I spent on equipment, sewing machine and foam cutter and all kinds of different equipment and materials. I finally have made more than I spent, which is good. It's nice to have a hobby that pays for itself. So I encourage you, go to puppetbuildingworld.com, puppetbuildingworld.com, and there we have puppets for sale. We also have a lot of tutorials, a lot of videos, a lot of things to really help you improve your puppet building. If you like this video, or you just want to see my future videos, which are puppet building videos, then please subscribe to the channel, ring the little bell, and then when I post a new how-to video, you'll be notified of it right away. Likes help me, comments, If you have comments, please share your comments below. And there is some articles on puppetbuildingworld.com about using fleece and putting fleece on a puppet. So, although I've got a whole shelf of this stuff now, plus I had some, it doesn't sit around. I do use it to make puppets, and the place to learn how is puppetbuildingworld.com. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for your likes and your comments. I'm Dennis Regling, Possum Woods Puppets. Be sure to subscribe so you see the next video. Thank you. Button off.